Hello everyone, this is Easy Edu, and in our today's video tutorial I am going to show you how to create walls, stairs, ladders and trees in Autodesk 3ds Max. Let's begin from plane. First create a plane. Okay, now adjust it in the middle and we will consider this as a ground. Okay, change the color. Now we will create wall around this, and then we will also create some trees in this garden. So the first thing is to click on AEC extended. In AEC extended you see here the walls. So first we create the wall. Okay, now we adjust the size of this wall, decrease the height. Yeah, this is good. Now we will create another wall inside this building. Now we will create a plane again, standard primitive, and create a plane. Okay, now adjust this. Now we will create a tree inside. Click on AC extended, select the type of tree which you like. I will select this banyan tree. Okay, now we will decrease the size of this tree. Yeah, okay. Now we will create stairs. Click on stairs. In stairs, select the type of stairs. I will select straight stairs. From here to now you can adjust them according to your need. Now check it in rendering. Here you see this. Now if you want to create doors or windows, then select this bio type doors. Click here. Okay, now we have this door. We want to open it. Just select this and it will rotate. Thank you guys. This is enough for today, and don't forget to subscribe Easy Edu for more videos. Thank you for watching.